This is a 3-in-1 multi-charging cable. This 3-in-1 charging cable is made of soft silicone cable and zinc alloy connector. The length of this cable is 4 feet and it comes with leather strap. And this one cable with 3 charging cords for multiple devices. This multiple charging cable is 3 times thicker than regular cables and ensures exceptional longevity and reliability. The Type-C of this charger cable increases charging speed up to 60 watts, and this 4-core Type-C charging cable also supports data transfer with speeds reaching to 480 Mbps, which means 1 gig file transfer takes only 20 to 30 seconds. No need to buy so many cables. You can use this 3-in-1 multiple charger cable to charge your 3 devices at the same time. This is a 3-in-1 multi-charging cable.